The interstate bus terminal at MAWIONG East KHASI Hills became operational on the 1st of April 2022. It is expected that there will be a positive response amongst the general public to the existence of the Isbt in as far as interstate transportation is concerned.
Isbt Shillong was made operational from today, the 1st April 2022, and then some facilities like ticket counter and 1 or 2 shops have been opened, and the response from the bus operator is also good, as many buses have arrived in the Isbt, and we expect that more buses will be operated soon from this Isbt.